Let's stand up and we'll create archer pose now. It's a whole body posture to put this whole process of these 3 affirmations into the future, into the present, and in the past. So we'll start with our left foot forward. Bring the right foot way back and hinge your right heel slightly out, right toes in. Now, if you were to draw a line with the left heel to the back of the right foot, it would go right in the center of that right arch. All right? Woo. Okay, there it is. Now, find your balance. Find your balance so you have weight even front to back. This is future. This is present. This is past. We're going to bring our left arm up. Curl the fingers in strongly. Extend your thumb strongly. Same mudra with the right hand. We're going to pull the bow all the way back, seating it back behind the right ear. Now bend your left knee. And again, balance the weight front to back. And begin long, deep breathing, looking through the thumbnail. Shoulders relaxed, chest lifted, heart is wide open. And you're really extending your auric field down through your heels, 30 feet or more into the earth. You're reaching up into the cosmos through the crown of the head for miles. You're expanding your energy all around you with a brilliant golden light. Just continue to explore with this posture, long, deep breathing, gazing through the thumb, gazing into the future. Become the visionary that you are. Let it come forward for you. Everything that you've learned from your past, it's here now in the present, projecting it into the future. Long, deep breathing. Now begin master breath again, breath of fire. Solidify this experience of what this posture is bringing to you. Stay balanced. Now, big inhale. Hold the breath, press the tongue, squeeze and lift up on the pelvic floor and project. And relax. Good. Shake out your arms and legs. What? Did we just have disco lights? What was that all about? That was crazy. Okay. I guess we're making a lot of energy, I suppose. Okay, let's go to the other direction. So let's bring our right foot out. The left foot is way back. And again, hinge that left foot slightly out, heel out, toes in. I didn't imagine that, right? It was discoing? Yeah. Okay. That's trippy. All right, bring your right arm up. Let's create that mudra. And really press all the 4 fingers into the palm like that and stretch your thumb strong. Relax the shoulder. Now let's pull our bow. Pull it with mighty sense of intention. And then relax the shoulders and bend the right knee. Now balance your weight back to front. And again, know that you're balancing past, present, and future. You're consolidating it. We're merging the timeline streams. Merging the time streams. Long, deep breath. Gazing through the thumbnail. We're bending time and space. Hold steady. And again, drive your energy from your heel points down into the earth. At least 30 feet. Just feel this golden energy going down into the earth, merging with Gaia. And then from the crown, feel the energy streaming upward, high and wide. And then all around you is this vast, golden, sparkling field of radiance. Keep your gaze soft and steady through the thumbnail. Long, deep breathing. We're going to go 30 more seconds and then do the breath of fire for about a minute. It's doing that disco thing again. Okay, let's do breath of fire. Big inhale. Press the tongue to the roof of the mouth and project. And relax. Good. Let's shake our arms and legs out. Very good.